Hi guys, it's Khushi and in today's video I'm going to do mandala dot art on this cardboard box. So basically I want to transform this cardboard box into a beautiful storage box, and I know that everyone must be having cardboard box in their houses lying around, so you just can grab one and do this on that box. So here I have decided to go with a yellow, orange and black theme. So firstly I'm going to paint the base with black acrylic paint. So once the black paint is dried up, here I've made markings with a compass. So basically it is easier to plot the dots. Firstly I've created a bigger dot in the center, and then I'm using this mandala dot art tools. This is the first time when I'm using these tools to make mandala dot art. I've done a dot art before, but I've used the back tips of brush. So these tools are available in different sizes from small to big, which will help you to create smaller and bigger dots. And the best thing about these tools are that every dot that you have created is evenly sized. So if I have to say anything about mandala dot art, I would say that it requires a lot of patience, and also at the same time it is very satisfying. So I know that I haven't been uploading videos on YouTube. That is because of my studies, and also there are a lot of projects and presentations given by my college. I'm still a student, so I need to focus on both. I would just say that I will try my best to create content on YouTube. And if you guys have any suggestions or any art related video idea, you can comment that in the comment section, and I will try to make those for you guys. So basically here you can see that I have dipped my tool once in the paint, and then I'm creating 3 dots, and the 3 dots are decreasing in size. So this is how you can use this tool to create a design effect like this. So here also I'm using the same technique, but I'm doing it on both the sides. And this is what the final outcome looks like. You can basically store anything that you want in this box. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, then give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. If you guys want to follow me on my Instagram, the link is given in the description and the ID is mentioned on the screen. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.